everyone, it's Stephanie from the Sewing Works, and today we're going to work on embroidering some very cute Halloween shapes. As you can see, our spider is done, but we're going to work on a witch's hat, and then we're going to do a pumpkin and string them all together for some really cute Halloween decorations. These designs are from Kimberbell, and if you're interested, stop by the store and we'd be happy to make sure you have them so you can have a decorated Halloween house as well. These Halloween items are a wonderful introduction to freestanding lace. We're going to just put our water-soluble aqua mesh stabilizer in our hoop. I'm going to stitch the tack down line, and then I'm going to put down a piece of black tulle, a piece of purple mylar, and then another piece of black tulle. Layer them that way, stitch it down, do my decorative stitch on top, and then we're going to do a satin stitch around the outside. Now, I will say sometimes when you're stitching just on a stabilizer, your thread has a tendency to catch and try to rip. So I'm going to put my hands there to try to keep it steady, and hopefully we don't have any holes in it. Okay, now that I'm done stitching my decorative stitch, it's time to trim the tulle and the mylar away from the stitching before we do our satin stitch. So I'm going to go do that and I'll be right back. Okay, my hat is all trimmed and we're ready to go. I did forget to mention at the beginning, when you're doing freestanding lace, it's really good to make sure that your top thread and your bobbin thread match. So then that way, if you see anything on the back, as you will with lace, you see both the back and the front, they look exactly the same. So I did my lace stitching here with black thread and a black bobbin. I'm gonna do my satin stitch with purple and try to match my mylar. So we'll see how it goes. Once you're done with your satin stitch, then you can take your project out of your hoop. We're going to trim that extra stabilizer, run it under some cool water, and dissolve the rest of the stabilizer, and then we'll have an adorable witch's hat. I'm going to go make my pumpkin next, and then we will see what the finished product looks like. Here is our finished Halloween garland. I doubled the amount that I made for each of them, strung them on a ribbon, and I think that they're pretty cute. I think we need to come in and put some googly eyes on our spider. Those are going to make it really cute. So if you guys have never done any freestanding lace, this is an awesome way to get started and make yourself some Halloween decorations. Again, if you're interested in the pattern, stop by the store. We'll be happy to get them for you. Have a good one.